Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily cancel offer on eBay. So all you have to do is head over to ebay.com and of course, make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, hover your mouse on My eBay, then click on Bids or Offers. Then in the Bids or Offers section, just scroll down to the Best Offers section. Then just beside your offer, click on View Offer Details. Then look for Retract Your Offer. You can see it on Changed Your Mind text. You can retract your offer. So just click on the link from the best offer cancellation form. Make sure that you enter your item number in the field provided if it's not automatically entered. Then start over and click on Continue. Next is select a reason for canceling from the drop-down menu provided. You may choose one of three options. Then, once done, just head over and click on Cancel Offer button. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!